Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Thomas Tool Tuesday. This week I'm going to be talking about something that's a little different from the usual. We're going to be talking about a tool that you can use to make severe convective outlooks. This is the Armchair Forecaster website. I'm going to go through it. It's a very useful place to go for those that are passionate about severe weather. So first thing I'd suggest you do while you're on here is just to explore the site. So there's a variety of different things go on here. So they have forecasts issued, they have forecasts to submit, leaderboards, all this stuff. And you might be wondering, well, how does this all work? Well, first thing you have to do is make an account. So you can log in. This is my username in the event that you're interested in seeing my forecasts or my verification scores. You can look them up. But as I'm logging in here, there are a variety of different things you can look at, from the tools that this has to how well people are doing with their forecasts, to guides on how to make this happen, and even the fact that there's a contest here. So I'd highly recommend registering for this if you're interested in severe convective storms forecasting. So here's how it all works. First thing I want to do is show you the Tools tab. This shows you everything that there is to know about the site. So first thing is these forecast discussions. This is from the person that runs it all. So this is the Armchair Forecast blog, and he gives you his outlook, everything that's going on here. So you can actually see some of the different tools that are available to you. There's a briefing page that's also wonderful. This shows you the latest in SPC outlooks, watches and mesoscale discussions, what's going on with radar, upper air maps. There's all kinds of different tools that are available to you in order to make the most of your forecast while you're here. So a variety of different tools, convective impacts map that has warnings, storm reports, winter impacts, similar things, soundings, AFDs. You can even make your own surface analysis. So if you go to the surface chart, let's say that you're interested in making a surface chart here just to kind of figure out what's going on with the weather, you most certainly can do that. And the big feature of note around here is that there's a surface low up near Canada at the moment. It seems to be driving some warm air advection in the Central Plains. But overall, the big thing here is that there's a variety of different things that you can look at in order to see what's going on. But the big one that a lot of people are going to be interested in is this original Outlook Creator. So this Outlook Creator is great because it does a couple things. It allows you to create a categorical severe weather outlook. You just select your category. You click this button here that allows you to create a polygon. And you can draw whatever kind of polygon you want across the United States. Create your risks as you see fit. So let's say there's a slight risk in the state of Oklahoma today. You can draw that out and create it accordingly. So that's cool there. You can also do this with probabilities. So 2% tornado risk, for example. Let's say we wanted to draw one of those. You can do that, and you can do that through the entire stack all the way up to 60% and see kind of how that would appear on the map. You can load outlooks, export them. You can load storm reports from the past few days to see what's happened, so you can verify your forecasts, which is also cool. And then there's also a watch mode. So what's cool about this is that I can go to either severe thunderstorm or tornado. Let's say I wanted to issue a tornado watch, and I can select the counties that I want to issue a watch for. And so county by county, I can fill in and export and see how a watch verified. So this is a tool that allows you to do a large variety of different things when it comes to issuing your own severe weather related products, which is pretty cool. So this Outlook Creator is definitely something that I would recommend people take a look at. The biggest feature, though, is in the forecast section. There is a forecast competition that goes on every single day where you can load all your tools and you can select between the different polygon types and create your tornado, wind, and hail forecasts. You submit that forecast and you can go to the leaderboard to see how your forecast is scored. So this is a wonderful bit of practice. The contest begins on March 1st. So for those that really like to get experience with this sort of thing, I would highly recommend doing Armchair Forecaster. as a way to get some free experience through the spring and some metrics on how well you're doing with your forecast. So I appreciate you watching this video. I know it's a little bit of a longer one, but I think that Armchair Forecaster is one of the better tools that's out there to help people get the forecasting experience they need to really get tuned in with severe weather season.